Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx equals to r dr d theta, x squared plus y squared equals to r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. So we have r squared and r squared. We can do about factorization. And this one equals to number 1. Next, about the bounds, we have dy. So y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. Now we need to concentrate about this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And now I will put this one go to the left. So we know that the formula of the circle, that is about s minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 equals to r squared. So the center, that is about AB, and r, that is about the radius. So in this situation, the center, that is about 0, 0, and the radius is about number 1. Because number 1, that is about 1 square. And now we need to graph about the circle. So this one we have y, this one we have s. So we have number 1, negative number 1, negative number 1. So we see that on the bounds from 0 to the square root of 1 minus s squared, this one, that is about positive. The positive, that should be about this one. The next one, dx, from negative number 1 to number 0. So negative number 1 to number 0, that is about this one. So the region we need to concentrate, that is about this one. And now we put everything in here. So s squared plus y squared we change by r squared. Dy dx we change by r dr d theta. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle. That should be about from 0 to number 1. D theta. So we start from here and we stop in here. So this one, that is about b over 2. This one, that is about b. So we just use about trigonometric circle. And now we put b over 2 cone here and b cone here. So the integration of 2r over 1 plus r squared we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus r squared, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. We have ln of number 2 minus ln of number 1. Because 1 and 1 plus 1 square, we have ln number 2. 0 cone here, so we have ln number 1. So ln number 1, that is equals to number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.